Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. We're here at the farm in the mobile home right now, and so you can see that maybe you can see if you've seen some of our other videos, which I highly recommend watching. This wall used to be green, and this paneling here was not painted white. It was brown paneling. So anyway, so I went through here and I've painted everything. I painted this wall. We painted the ceiling up here. We used Kills Complete, Kills Original on here, the oil-based. Really, it's a great product. If you haven't ever heard of that, check it out. Then we came back on the walls with latex, so it'll be easy, and it's a satin, I believe. But anyway, it's something nice to wipe down because it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. But yeah, so coming on over here, you can see I painted all this back wall here, and here's the kitchen sink. So these cabinets, you can see we taken out, and we're going to come back with new cabinets and a new countertop we're making, and then right here is going to be where the new dishwasher is going to go. There was no dishwasher in this at all, so we're going to add a dishwasher. Oh, along this wall, this is going to have the refrigerator and freezer here, or freezer and refrigerator, however we set it up. Probably refrigerator here, we'll get into that more. But so yeah, so this cabinet's going to come out. We're going to put new cabinets in, a new sink cabinet, and then we're going to come in with a Lazy Susan in the corner. And then the stove is going to actually, since the Lazy Susan comes out to here, the stove's going to get shifted down a little bit, and then we'll have just a little cart right here that's going to have a maybe a butcher block top on it and some shelves underneath, so it'll just roll in and out. But along the wall here, this is going to be a sheet of galvanized backsplash. So this whole wall is just going to be one sheet of metal to kind of have the stove here, and then have that back there. And then we're going to put a bar across the ceiling here for pots and pans to hang off of, and so that'll be nice. And then let's see, yeah. So we got a new sink that's going to go in the countertop, and this is the faucet we're going to keep. This is a new faucet. I'm going to keep that. So yeah. So first things first, we're going to take out the old cabinet here, or the old sink. They call it something, but anyways, the sink thing, and then we're going to take all that out, get our new cabinets, and put them in place, and kind of see what we need to make sure the floor is right and get them level and get going with that. So yeah, let's get started. we got the cabinet out. You saw that kind of coming out, and we've moved our new cabinets in. This is the base cabinet that's going to hold the sink, and then this is the Lazy Susan here. So we got them in position, and we found out that the old plumbing is actually going to interfere with our Lazy Susan and that clean out. See if you can get in there a little tighter there. So we're going to take this whole plumbing and move everything over more this way so we can catch the sink drain and all that wonderfulness. So so that's going to need to happen before we can get our new cabinets installed and even in place. So you can see underneath of the old cabinets there's a whole sheet of plywood missing. There's a huge, huge drop right there. So I'm gonna probably come in here, since I'm getting all this opened up anyways, I'll probably just come in there and level the floor off with the rest of the floor. And when we do that, we kind of cleaned up a little bit where we thought the cabinets were going to go, just to make sure, it's clean underneath of them. But we're going to go back and everything, it snowballs into more and more and more stuff. But we talked about going ahead and doing the flooring in here with the same laminate floor that we have in the living room that we really liked, and it was very easy to install. So check out that video of that. So that worked really nice. So I think that's what we're going to do, just to get a new floor in here, because this old stuff, they put it in here and it's cracked already, and a lot of it broke when I pulled out the old cabinets and things that were in here and stuff like that. So just one of those things. I'll probably come back with some type of sheet plywood, like a little thin Luan, or some kind of spacer in there to get the floor built up to the same level as this VCT, and that way when the laminate flooring goes across here, it'll be just all one nice solid floor. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry we didn't get a whole lot going in this one, but we'll have some more. We'll have more material for you coming soon. So we'll see you next time.